The Genmitsu CNC Router Machine 4040 Pro presents a compelling option for woodworking enthusiasts and hobbyists seeking a reliable, versatile CNC machine. With a generous working area of 15.7 by 15.7 by 3.1 inch, it accommodates most wood carving projects with ease. One notable improvement is the redesigned Z-axis carriage, facilitating effortless spindle swapping. The enhanced steel HSS frame augments stability and precision, ensuring consistent milling results. The integration of Toshiba TB6S109 drivers with 32-bit chips enhances performance while maintaining silent operation. Assembly is a breeze, with major components pre-assembled, reducing setup time to a mere 15 minutes. The modular SP oil board design allows for individual panel replacement, minimizing maintenance costs. Moreover, the machine offers versatility through optional upgrades such as spindle mounts and laser modules. The compatibility with a 4th-axis rotary module expands creative possibilities, enabling intricate 3D carving. Customer service excellence is evident in prompt troubleshooting and replacement of faulty parts, as highlighted by a user's positive experience with SignSmart support. The inclusion of features like a dedicated laser port and air assistance pump port enhances user convenience. While the default spindle might require upgrading for more demanding tasks, users commend the machine's overall rigidity and accuracy. The seamless compatibility with software like Lightburn further enhances its appeal for laser cutting and etching applications. In summary, the Genmitsu CNC Router Machine 4040 Pro impresses with its robust construction, user-friendly design, and responsive customer support. Whether embarking on intricate woodworking projects or exploring laser cutting, this machine offers a compelling blend of performance and reliability, making it a worthy investment for hobbyists and prosumers alike. Pros: spacious working area suitable for various woodworking projects. Enhanced steel frame ensures stability and accuracy. Easy assembly and modular design for hassle-free maintenance. Versatile upgrade options, including spindle mounts and laser modules. Responsive customer support and prompt resolution of issues. Cons: default spindle may require upgrading for more demanding tasks. Limited to hobbyist and prosumer use, may not suffice for industrial applications. Overall, the Genmitsu CNC Router Machine 4040 Pro stands out as a reliable and versatile tool, backed by excellent customer support, making it a recommended choice for woodworking enthusiasts seeking precision and performance.